Welcome to a surprise birthday dinner in Lagos, celebrating former President OLUSEGUN OBASANJO, hosted by the owner of Stanel and Delbury Hotel. This event brought together Nigerian top politicians, influential leaders, and wealthiest Igbo billionaire, all out to honor Obasanjo. It's more than just a party, it's a celebration of Nigerian present, past, and future. He is OLUSEGUN Obasanjo and a night to remember. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
King Price.
But also let me
To the man of Judea, Mona Madu Takeda Poponedo, we go away, hallelujah. Asino Yellow, Boy Oyago, in Bright Oyago, Bogo Oyago, Obelem Money Bono, Bogo Oyago, Obelem Money Jogo, Bogo Oyago, Bright Oyago, Nessie Chaka. Odoko Jalumba, my boutique, Manatogo, Anti Nigel, one not with the Prince Odogo Galagano.
So this is hand made by these women, and they went to the internet, they went to Google to look for photo because they wanted to find a photo with the both of us, and they did that. I told them I'm not happy with it. They said, well, take it back to safe first, then we'll...
at my age, there's really no more surprise that anybody can give me. So what are you going to do?
He would stand up and was saying, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. Once a soldier will always be a soldier. Please, resounding round of applause for Baba.